Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about urinary system. Urinary system, it is the major excretory system of the body. That means it is helpful in excretion of the waste product. Now we will see what all structures that are included into the urinary system. The urinary system includes two kidney, two ureter, one bladder and one urethra. So the kidney, what they are doing, they are helpful in urine formation. The ureter, they will carry urine from kidney to the bladder. Carry urine from kidney to the bladder. Bladder, it is helpful in collection and the storage of urine temporarily. Collection and storage of urine. And the urethra, from the bladder the urine is passed outside with the help of urethra. Now the main organ that is involved into the urinary system is the kidney. Kidney, these are the structural and functional unit of urinary system. Now we will see what are the functions of kidney. The main function of the kidney is first, excretion of waste product. Waste product like urea, uric acid, creatinine, bilirubin, these are excreted out from the body with the help of kidney. The second main function of the kidney is maintaining pH. How the kidney, they are helpful in maintaining pH? By excretion of H plus ion and retention of bicarbonate ion. So they will be helpful in maintaining pH. The third function of the kidney is secretion of hormone or production of hormone. Hormones that are produced by the kidney, these are the three hormones. One is erythropoietin. Erythropoietin is helpful in increase number of RBC production में it will be helpful. Second hormone, that is renin. Renin is helpful in maintaining of blood pressure and blood volume. Third hormone that the kidney, they are secreting is vitamin D. Vitamin D is also known as 1,25 dihydroxy cholecalciferol. So vitamin D is providing strength to the bones. So these are the hormones that are secreted by the kidney. The fourth function of the kidney is maintaining osmoregulation. Maintaining osmoregulation or fluid electrolyte balance. So the kidney are helpful in maintaining osmoregulation by maintaining homeostasis. Homeostasis means it is a self-regulating process by which biological systems tend to maintain stability. So the kidney, they are helpful in maintaining pH like acid-base balance, fluid electrolyte balance, secretion of hormone. So kidneys, they are helpful in maintaining homeostasis. The fifth function of the kidney is regulation of blood pressure and blood volume. So how the kidney, they are helpful? They are either conserving or eliminating water or sodium with the help of urine outside from the body and regulate blood pressure and blood volume. So this all was related with the function of kidney majorly. In the next class we will see what is the structure of nephron. Thank you class. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.